Following our region's powerful snowstorm, Plattsburgh is buried in about a foot of snow.
Yeah, crews have been working around the clock. Our Blake McQuarrie has more on the cleanup efforts in Plattsburgh.
Snowbanks line city streets as Plattsburgh works to recover from the season's biggest storm yet.
The smaller events we had earlier in the season are equally as difficult, if not more difficult, than the larger one we had yesterday. You know, we'd rather have a lot of snow come fast and a little bit of snow come stretched out over a long period of time.
The Plattsburgh Public Works Department says crews have been working around the clock since the storm started.
We started plowing at 4 in the afternoon. I believe it was on Sunday, and plowed right through till 8 o'clock yesterday.
Crews are cleaning snow storage areas and then moving to side roads, where it's still slow going for drivers.
There's definitely a lot of work that has to get done still, and I think there's a lot of time in the day to do that. The main roads are getting better, but the city roads haven't changed at all. I have a front-wheel driving car, so it's been pretty hard to navigate, and I don't see any lines at all. So it's not good.
In Plattsburgh, Blake McQuarrie, NBC 5 News.